Welcome to English for Kids Academy.
Good morning, Liam. Good morning, Emma. Are you ready for class? Yes, but I forgot my pencil. Emma, can I borrow your pencil? Sure, here you go. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Liam. Do you need an eraser too? Oh, yes, please. Here, take mine. You're always so kind. Oh no, I forgot my English book. Don't worry, we can share mine. Really? That's great. Of course, we're friends.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning.
Let's start our reading lesson. Open your books, page 10.
Emma, can I look with you? Yes, come sit beside me. Thanks, now I can see better.
Take your pencils out.
Uh-oh, I dropped mine. Here, use this extra one. You saved me again. Liam, do you have a ruler? No, but Emma does. You can borrow it, Sophia. Thanks, Emma. You are so nice. I think teamwork is fun. Yes, we all help each other. That's how we learn better. And make good friends too. Oh no, my pencil broke. Don't worry, I have a sharpener. Great, can I use it? Sure, here you go. I can't find my math book. Did you check your bag? Yes, it's not there. You can share mine for now. Emma, I missed yesterday's class. That's okay. I'll share my note. Wow, thank you. Let's study together after school. Can I borrow a blue crayon? Sure, but please give it back. Of course, I'll take care of it. Good. Sharing makes learning fun.
What do we say when we borrow?
Please and thank you.
Excellent. Always be polite.
We'll remember that. Teacher.
Work in pairs today.
Let's be partners, Liam. Yes, I'll bring my notebook. And I'll bring my pens.
This is Mia, our new friend.
Hi, Mia. Do you need anything? I forgot my pencil. Here, you can use mine.
Time to pack up, class.
Let's put everything back. Don't forget your pencil, Emma. Oops, thanks for reminding me. Thank you for helping me today. You're welcome anytime. Friends help each other, right? Always. Let's check our bags before leaving. Good idea. I have my pencil and book. Me too. We're all set. Today, I learned to share. And to say please and thank you. Helping feels really good. Let's always be kind in class.